Okay, someone kwi-inbox yami ukhalela ukuva i-views zami regarding the fact oba uKat Matlala was denied i-bail izolo. Ukuthi uKatiso Molefe was granted i-bail eye 400,000. Ngapha uKatiso Molefe ufacea i-murder charges, yet ngapha uKat Matlala ufacea i-attempted murder charges ze ex-girlfriend uTeboho Thobejane. Okay, masizenzeleni comparison yethu sizayibona ukuthi it all goes down to more or less one or two things. Bamdeny ibail besithi it's because of uKat Matlala i-flight risk. We can argue that sithi but uKatiso Molefe he is as much of i-flight risk as uKat Matlala. Bayafana. Reason why besithi uKat Matlala i-flight risk is because of la passport yakhe eKaDlamini eyaseSwatini, nokuthi kuma conversations bapick up ukuthi recently bekene communication ne-girlfriend yakhe regarding lo passport yakhe leyo yaseSwatini. Kwavela nenye into ingathi ekakatiso yoba ingathi i-passport yakhe futhi leyaseSwatini isam recognize njengomuntu outside, so xa uphuma mos ucrossa iborder uphumela ngaphandle kweSouth Africa iyastampa ipassport yakho, xa ungena istamp ukuthi usubuyile. So ingathi Katiso isaveza into ba uphumile, ayimbonisi uba ubuyile eSouth Africa passport. So those are the main arguments abasebenzisile, including the fact oba unento kwenza na Mauritius as well. So bamregada as what? As i-flight risk. Oh, okay. Asibuye nokuKatiso Molefe. uKatiso Molefe is as much of a flight risk as uKat Matlala, because uKatiso uke wa flyer outside the borders of South Africa wabheke UK nge-passport that was fake. Waze wabanjwa e-UK, though wayengabanjelwa nge-passport, wabanjiswa yiDarha Intsango. Njengoba nje andazi noba uyaqhunywa na, wabanjiswa intsango plus nesibhamu inhlobo yesibhamu wayephethe ingathi ayivumelekanga kuleyo country le wayekuyo, lo ndawo wayekuyo ayikho allowed lo nhlobo yesibhamu. So wabanjiswa zizo, but kwaphikwa apha noba ebanjwa nje ebebhale i-information wrong, like i-passport yakhe beyi-fake, beyenza fake. So it means he's capable of that. If he did it then he can do it again. He's more of a flight risk naye just as much as uKat Matlala. What I think it happened here, I think it's about the timing. It's not even about the best lawyers. Ukuthi i-lawyers zikaKatiso zikwazi uku-argue better than ezikaKat Matlala. Ukuthi no, they aren't much of risk wow in terms of bona nani no. I think it's timing. EkaKatiso bebesakwazi ukwenza la mshikashika. Mosikukhona le allegation evelile. Allegedly so indoba uLidwaba uJosh Lidwaba uthole i-2.5 meter. I'm not sure whether inyani okanye ayikho nyani, but let's argue it and say if inyani. If inyani yenzekile into enjalo ngenzeka into ba yinto ekhiphe uKatiso, because looking at ama charges akawafaceayo and the evidence, there's damning evidence and ebonisayo uba unobungozi obungakanani for him to be released. But iba khona lanto esivayo mosingathi kune 2.5 meter. Even if they could have pulled the same stunt nangoKat, but bongasekho lula because seyibhemile kwiside likaLidwaba. And in the show into ba uDuplessis, which is ujudge kaKat Matlala, was not gonna take the same risk. Sekebonile baseyibhemile ngapha kusekho lula ngapha because kwaULidwaba zimchele, and as a result ufuna nokuyocleara igama lakhe phi kuMadlanga Commission, because we as South Africans sive into engathi kuthiwa ufumene i-2.5 for ukuthi akhiphe bani, akhiphe uKatiso Molefe. So even if they wanted to pull the same stunt with uKat Matlala, it was not gonna be easy because right now say velile into efana naleyo. So all eyes say are on them. I'm not saying during ibail kaKatiso all eyes were not on them, they were, but remember uKat Matlala sokuvele nento ze-ballistic, ama-ballistic experts sokuvele nenhlobo yezibhamu. Right now nje ubungozi indlela akanobungozi ngayo kanye abanobungozi ngayo sesiva yonke sesithini. As a result I think ikona it's just that umthetho usebenza ngendlela yawo. It would have been wise to reverse everything, uKatiso Molefe abuyele ngaphakathi, because kwayena uKatiso Molefe ide ikhona ne-evidence ethi babalekise uLucky Molefe. kuthi ongumtshana kaTiso Molefe obokumele ukuthi ubanjwe naye uKatiso Molefe bambalekisa. So it's proof enough into yoba xa befuna ukuzifihla befuna ukubaleka usengabaleka uKatiso Molefe. And ndiyahalela ukuva mina into yoba xa ngavele kuthiwe uKatiso basamfumana basathini uzathini uCharge Lidwaba, because that is on him. So basically kumi just goes down. It's not even about ukuthi i-lawyers zikabani zi-ajwe better than ezikabani. I don't think it's about that. I think it's about the timing. Uba ngapha sokushube kakhulu bongasekho lula. So yeah, that's my 2 cents. You can put it in the comment section uba wena what's your 2 cents about it.